Hey guys, today I'm going to make two varieties of spread. One savory spread using legumes and tofu blended with fragrant Indian spices, and the second sweet spread with pineapple, nuts and tofu. These homemade delicious and healthy spreads are perfect to make quick on-the-go meals for breakfast or evening snacks or light dinner. Let's look at the ingredients for the savory spread first. We need tofu, chickpeas, black beans, black-eyed beans, tomatoes, garlic, lime, spices including turmeric, cumin, garam masala, red chilli powder, salt and oil. Check the description for details on garam masala. I already boiled chickpeas, black beans and black-eyed beans separately in the pressure cooker with some salt and kept it aside. We need to grind the tofu, boiled legumes together and keep it aside. There is a lot of controversy whether tofu is healthy or not, but there is no evidence to say whether it can prevent some diseases or cause some side effects. The isoflavones present in the tofu are thought to be helpful for women experiencing hot flashes during their menopause. I would suggest to consume it in moderate quantities and everybody can eat it. Tofu is a good source of protein for vegetarians, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It is also a good source of calcium, iron, minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, zinc, vitamin B1. It contains healthy polyunsaturated fat and omega-3 fatty acids. Tofu is naturally gluten-free and low in calories. Coming to the health benefits of legumes, chickpeas, black beans and black-eyed beans have low glycemic index and are low in calories. These are rich in protein, fiber, folate, iron, phosphorus, manganese, potassium, vitamin A and E. They also contain selenium and choline, which are required for brain function, memory and cognitive function. Selenium is also important for proper functioning of the thyroid gland. One important fact about chickpeas is that fiber called raffinose present in the chickpeas is broken down by the bacteria in the intestines to produce butyrate, which reduces the inflammation in the colon cells. Now slice the tomatoes and put them in the pan along with the slices of the garlic. No need to put the oil. Cook the tomatoes till they become soft. Tomatoes are low in calories and 95% of it is water and 5% consists of carbohydrates and fiber. One medium-sized tomato contains 1.5 grams of fiber. That's a great source of vitamin C, folate and vitamin K. The red color of the tomatoes is because of the pigment called lycopene, which is an antioxidant, and it is thought to reduce the risk of the heart disease. 2 tomatoes contain 12.7 milligrams of lycopene, which is 50% of the total lycopene required per day. Once the tomatoes are cooked, switch off the stove and let it cool. Grind it to make a puree. Now take a big skillet, add 3 tablespoons of oil and add tomato puree and all the spices, red chilli powder, salt and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the tofu and beans paste and mix it well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can add half lime juice, but before doing that, taste the paste and see if it is sour. If it is sour, you can avoid adding lime juice. Let it cool and then pour it in the wide mouth glass jar and store it in the refrigerator. You can also add olive oil before you pour it into the jar, and this is optional. Now let's make pineapple tofu spread. We need fresh pineapple, 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, tofu, almonds, walnuts, dates and honey. Pineapple is low in calories, rich in vitamin C, fiber and contains various minerals. It contains a digestive enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may provide pain relief for those suffering from arthritis. Bromelain speeds up recovery and repair muscle tissue after strenuous exercise by reducing the inflammation. Bromelain also helps in digestion by breaking down proteins into small peptides and amino acids. And walnuts are rich in protein, fiber, calcium, antioxidants, and also contain several minerals including selenium and choline. These nuts are rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, and some compounds present in the walnuts called ellagic acid and catechin reduce the risk of heart disease and lower bad cholesterol and also improve brain function. Grind pineapple, chickpeas and tofu and dates together. Almonds and walnuts paste or powder and honey and blend it all together. Dates and honey contain natural sugars which make a perfect substitute for the white sugar. After blending it all together, you can pour this into wide mouth glass jar and store it in the refrigerator. So both the spreads are full of nutrients and healthy. Since these are homemade, there are no preservatives or added sugars or added flavors and colors. Kids will love both the sweet spread and also the savory spread, and everyone in the family can enjoy these spreads. Let me show you how you can make different varieties of quick meals using these spreads. You can be creative and make your own interesting meals. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Go natural for a healthy and happy life. Namaste.